Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here under this playlist guys, we are covering visuals. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have learnt about clustered bar chart. I hope guys now you have clear understanding about clustered bar chart. And now in today's class guys, we will talk about next visual of Power BI, which name is clustered column chart. So we have same parameters guys under this clustered column chart like the previous visuals, like x-axis, y-axis, legends, small multiples and tooltips. So with the help of clustered column chart guys, we can compare the sales of multiple regions, countries, products and so on. And its bar position guys are in vertical design. You guys can clearly see it here. This is very much similar like clustered bar chart. But if I go to this clustered bar chart guys, so here bar design is in horizontal position. But here under this clustered column chart guys, here bar design is vertical. So let's go to the data view. And this time I will take these two fields, countries, products and one measurable value which is sales. So now let's go to the practical page. And now I will take this clustered column chart visual. And now let me expand this visual first. So under x-axis guys, I will take this country column. And under y-axis guys, I will take this sales column. So let's suppose guys, if you don't want to add legends here, so you guys can skip this. If you want to make a comparison of country-wise sale, you guys can easily display your visual with country-wise sale. So it's totally depend on your requirement. So here under this legend section guys, I will take one more column which name is products. And now I will quickly increase the size of this x-axis, y-axis and legends. And now let's understand this graph. So here we guys can clearly see we have multiple clusters here under this graph. Under China guys, we have multiple clusters. And these are the products. This sky blue color represent bread. This indigo color represent butter, orange color represent cake and the purple color represent milk. So in this way guys, you guys can see your graph in cluster. Here cluster means group. So if you want to visualize your sale in clusters, so you guys can use this clustered column chart as well as this clustered bar chart. This is very much useful guys to visualize the sale and it looks more beautiful. So with the help of this visualization playlist guys, you will also learn some more interesting formatting. So let's suppose guys, if I go here in y-axis and let me expand this y-axis. And under this y-axis options guys, you guys can see logarithm scale and invert range. So if you guys increase the size of your bars, so you guys can use this logarithm scale. So let me turn it on. So here you guys can see our bar size has increased with the help of this logarithm scale. Now let me turn it off. And let's suppose guys, you want to invert your bar graphs. So you need to click here on invert range. So here we guys can see our bars has reversed. And now let me turn it off. And now let's talk about some more formatting. So if I go here on legend section guys, so if I click here on this drop down guys, so from here guys, you guys can change the position. Let's say center right. And now here you guys can see our legends are shifted to the right side, which is center right. And now let's check another position. Let's say bottom left. So here legends are shifted to the bottom left. So in this way guys, you guys can check other formatting part. And now let's go to the x-axis. So under x-axis guys, we have already covered these options. And now guys, let's talk about one more feature under y-axis. So let's suppose guys, you want to change the display units. Here are in thousands. So you need to click here on y-axis and from here guys, you can change the display unit. So under this drop down guys, you can change from auto to thousands, million, billions or trillions. Let's suppose if I click here on none. So here you guys can see it gives you the actual output. And under this value decimal places guys, you guys can also add some decimals. Let's say 2. And from here guys, you guys can also switch axis position. So if you want to switch it off from left to right, you need to simply click here on switch axis position. So here we guys can see it shifted towards right side. So I hope guys now you are cleared with the difference of clustered bar chart and clustered column chart. And for such kind of learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And we also have a separate playlist guys. Under this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn all the DAX functions from scratch. And we have one more playlist guys, which name is Update, where you guys will only able to see latest Power BI updates. And those who are new to this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group, where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds, as well as I also provide some advanced scenario based questions. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.